Nitya. I'm studying LKG B section. Bubbly, bubbly blue. Next legend alphabet stew. Choose a letter from the pot and make the sound that you go. Stick the pot once, okay, and pass it on to your friend. Aeroplanes, aeroplanes up in the skies. Take me with you, where our view flies. Over the cloud, up so high. Take me with your rainbow in the skies. After a bathing, try to wipe myself. Try and to wipe my fingers and toes and two wig legs and shiny nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I'll catch your visualize. 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I let it go again. Why did you go? Because it is my fingers so. They fingered little but the little finger on the